Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Rai classes. Today for class 8 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 26 on number system. Now let us see the first question. The P by Q form of 54.26 is. If you look at 54.26, if you write it in rational form, that is 54.26 upon 1 after 2 zeros, because after decimal we have 2 digits, 2 places after decimal, so we have to write 1 after 2 zeros. 54.26. If you divide with 2 50 times and here 27.13, that is nothing but 2713 upon 50. That is a simplified form of this particular rational fraction. So out of the given options, second option is the right option for the given question. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. If A is 87 upon 32, that is 2.71875, B is 5 by 8, that is 0.625, and C is 3 by 4, that is 0.75, then A plus B plus C in P by Q form is. Let us see the solution here. What is A given as? Let us take the decimal part, 2.71875. Now let us take B. What is B? 0.625. What is C for us? 0.75. Let us try to add up, because he is asking A plus B plus C value. A plus B plus C is going to be, this is 5, this is 7, 8 plus 5, 13, 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, and here it is 7 plus 7, 14 plus 6, that is 20. So this is 4.09375. That is the value of A plus B plus C. Therefore, if you want to express A plus B plus C in rational form, it is going to be 4.09375 upon 1 after how many decimal places? 5 we have. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5. 5 zeros we have to place. So out of the given options, if you get 4.09375, 4.09375, that is the numerator of every answer. If you look at the denominator, 5 zeros. Here we have 3 zeros. Here we have 6 zeros. Here we have 3 zeros. So this is not right option. This is not right option. This is not right option. So certainly the second option is the right answer for this particular question. Okay. Now we will move to the next one. The number of ways the number 1 upon 15 be written as A by 3 minus B by 5. How many ways we can write? How many such A comma B exists? That's the question. So let us solve this in this way. A by 3 minus B by 5. Okay. If we find out the LCM, that will be 15. So we are going to have it as 5A minus 3B. But it is given as 1 by 15. But 5A minus 3B upon 15 is given as 1 upon 15. Therefore, certainly 5A minus 3B is equal to 1. That implies A is equal to 1 plus 3B by 5. Okay? A is 1 plus 3B by 5. Here he is saying that A and B are integers. Means to get A as integer, we have to choose such a B in such a way that 1 plus 3B is a multiple of 5. If you choose B in such a way that 1 plus 3B is a multiple of 5, multiple of 5 upon 5 is nothing but an integer. That is the point we have to observe here. For that, let us take that B is equal to, let me take B value as some 3. If we take B as 3, we have 1 plus 3B as 1 plus 3B is 1 plus 9, that is 10. 10. 10 is a multiple of 5. So A will be 2 here. So A is equal to 10 by 5, that is 2. So here this is integer and it is also integer. Like that, we can take B is equal to, if B is equal to 8, 3 8s are 24 plus 1, that is 25. So B is equal to 8, 1 plus 3B is going to be 25, then A will be 25 upon 5, that is equal to 5. Like that, we can choose many number of B in such a way that 1 plus 3B is always a multiple of 5. Thereby you get different values of A. So how many such AB are existing here? Infinitely many. There is no limitation for that. There are infinitely many values in such a way that A by 1 by 15 can be written as A by 3 minus b by 5. So out of the given 4 options, fourth option is the right answer for us. Now next question. Express 3 by 13 as a rational number with denominator minus 39. Of course, here solution, let us take, we have 3 by 13. What we have to do? Denominator we have to get as minus 39. Denominator we get as minus 39 only when if you multiply both numerator and denominator with minus 3. So this is only possible when we multiply this with minus 3, minus 3. Both numerator and denominator with minus 3. So minus 3 times of 3, that is minus 9. Minus 3 times of 13, minus 39. So what is the resultant answer now? Minus 9 upon minus 39. That is nothing but the third option. Now let us see the next question. Which of the following is oblique or not false? Means which of the following are true? Otherwise, 0 by 3 is a natural number. If you take 0 by 3, 0 upon 3 is 0. 0 is not a natural number. It doesn't belong to the set of natural numbers. So first option is a false statement. This is a false statement, not true. Second one, minus 7 by 8. So this is not the right answer for us. Minus 7 by 8, 2 by minus 3 are fractions, but not rational numbers. In fact, they are rational numbers. Fraction should not have negative sign. Minus 7 by 8 is not a fraction. So this is also not the right option for us. 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 8, 9 by 11 are fractions as well as rational numbers. This is true. This is a rational number as well as fraction. So this is a true statement. Not false means true. Not false is otherwise true. So third option is right answer. 0 is the smallest rational number. We cannot say the smallest rational number. We cannot give any result for that. We cannot decide what it is. So this is also not the right option for us. So out of the given 4 options, only third option is the right answer for us. Okay. So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.